what we want to show y'all, me and BOZ been in this game a long time. We started from the streets. We was able to grow up, understand other things that could help us raise our families and feed our families the right way. Yes. And we always thought it was money, but this credit game is so important. BOZ know from being from the streets, me from being from the streets, changing my life around. And we talking about the creditguard.com. We want to give y'all the hookup on the game of life to keep money, to pass down. I know, BOZ, you always talk about the guys that we grew up with, yeah, that you was able to help them change their life. And tell them how exactly you did it.
Well, you know, the same way that you've been doing it for years, Pete, is through education.
Yeah.
You know, you always stress education in all our music you made. You say, take all your dirty money, clean it to good money. Yeah. Y'all go back to 98, 99. We've been saying this. So now it's a new day, and we can help these guys that we were helping in the street learn how to do something different.
Yeah, so you're saying if y'all followed us in the streets, now follow us with this. We talking about real game that you can feed your family. We talking about credit.
And you ain't got to duck the police. You ain't going to be getting shot at. You ain't got to worry about the jackers coming and all that.
Your money.
That's right. And you could take your girlfriend or your sister, your daughter, somebody that you know is intelligent in your family, and get this small $5,000 course for them. Put them down, make them learn that it's gonna clean their credit up, your credit up, and it's gonna give them a livelihood where they can make $150,000.
We saying y'all spending $5,000 on shoes and purses and
you
know what I'm saying? Give them something that they could eat with forever.
We ain't just telling y'all and saying on the music. Now we got a whole blueprint that's showing y'all, that's drawn out by Mr. Carlos Smith, the best comprehensive program that we could find in America to help all of the people that's coming out of penitentiaries, that's having hardships, and that never really learned about things in life that make this country what it is. This country was built on the concept of credit. Banks got money to loan for black people, for black women, and
schools, everything. Think about it, right? So if everybody was talking about their hood. With credit, you could go buy your hood, for real.
Right. That's
you know what I'm saying?
Y'all could go back in there and stop gentrification. Let other people come in your neighborhood, buy your own neighborhood. And then these women, y'all should know, I know women leave from the behind because the men be out there doing their thing. But when he go to buy you a $5,000 purse or a pair of shoes, let them know, no, baby, let's invest in our future.
Give me that hookup on the credit guard.
That's right.
Go to the creditguard.com. You don't need no purse. You can buy 20 purses.
You can buy your own purse after that, but get it in, you know.
Get the hookup at the creditguard.com.
Yeah.